In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Discover on Snapchat with this fast tutorial. We all know how overwhelming and a little annoying it can be at times when we're constantly bombarded with content we're not interested in. Well, the good news is that there are a few nifty ways to make your Discover feed more tailored to your preferences or even avoid it altogether. Let's dive in. First off, a great method to start with is hiding content that doesn't appeal to you. Begin by opening your Snapchat app and swiping left to access the Discover or Stories page. You'll see a variety of stories from publishers and other sources. If you come across a story tile that doesn't particularly interest you, go ahead and press and hold on that tile. Once you're holding it, you'll see the option to either hide it or see less content like that. Selecting one of these options will ensure that Snapchat gradually stops showing you similar Discover content, making your feed a better fit for your taste over time. The second method involves clearing personalized suggestions, which is a more comprehensive approach. From the Snapchat home screen, navigate to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji. Next, head into your settings, which is the gear icon you'll see here. As you scroll down, you'll reach the section labeled Account Actions. Here you'll want to tap on Clear Search History and Clear Scan History. This will reset any personalized suggestions that Snapchat had queued up for you. For an added step, go into Privacy and then Add Preferences. Toggle off Activity-Based Ads, which limits how content on Discover is tailored to your behavior within the app. Lastly, if you're looking for a means to completely bypass Discover content, consider focusing on the Friends tab. Once you're in the app, swipe left from the camera screen, and you'll land on the Discover page by default. Instead of scrolling down into Discover, stick with the Friends tab. This tab collates stories and updates only from people you've consciously added as friends on Snapchat. By doing this, you're essentially avoiding random Discover content altogether, keeping your Snapchat experience personal and engaging. These methods are straightforward yet effective in customizing your interaction with Snapchat Discover. Whether you decide to hide content, clear your personalized suggestions, or just stick with the Friends tab, you'll find these strategies help in reducing unwanted content and enhancing your overall Snapchat experience. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide. Feel free to comment any other tips or queries you might have. Happy snapping!